I'm setting my alarm for fucking 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. I'm going to go and wake that up.
I don't blame you. Yeah, fancy Joe come around like just before we went to bed going, morning! I mean, what was it? Bloody 10 to 6?
Yeah, so good morning. We are leaving Southerness, and Joe thought he'd come and give us an early morning call this morning. Nick came out of his room like he was a fucking bear been woken up from hibernation.
Even so, it's been a bloody good stay, hasn't it?
Yeah, been good as gold.
The old caravan did the job until the boiler lost its pressure this morning, and there's no filling loop. We had no heat and no hot water.
Yeah, I don't get why there's no filling loop.
It's because they take the filling loops away because customers mess with them and end up over-pressurising the boilers.
Yeah, it's probably because they're freezing their tits off because there's no fucking heating. Well, I'm not fucking waiting for Joe.
Look at that weather.
Alright, Joe?
Well, after that lighthouse the other day, I'll do without the wind. That haggis was bloody nice.
It's lovely, isn't it? Come on, change. He's only just fucking changed. Can't be anything the other end.
Ouch. I know. Especially when you used to...
Well, give it up. Stop smoking, dirty bastard. Number 3, buddy, please.
After listening to you buggers all day, I've got to do something.
They should make fags and tobacco £100 a fucking page. And drop the price of Mars bars. Good morning. Judgy bollocks. Yeah, but we're just going straight on like England. We're going to England. England.
Right, I've got Joe.
It's a nice bend too. Sounds alright, whatever it is.
Welcome to England.
You're over the border. I mean, I've got to start talking like a farmer again.
Oh,
Is
look.
that a pan?
What do I find here? Oh, look. He's a Mr. on a bloody motorway. I have got video evidence.
Go on then, mate. Fuck off over.
Come on, Shoei.
It's a Suzuki.
I can hear Nigel's head going, fucking motorway, fucking hate him, fucking hate him.
Fucking thing. Get off your fucking phone, you dickhead! So, I mean, what do you do on these roads? You just sit here and like, fucking what? I mean,
Play a board game. Twiddle your thumbs, play a board game, listen to a podcast.
mean, you fucking lay down, go to sleep or what? I mean, we go for a bit of YMCA. Oh, fucking soul destroying. God, strike me down. I'm sorry, tyres. I'm so sorry. Even my fucking engine sounds bored. Is this bit shut? Why is there no other fucker on here?
I don't think there's robots, I just think they're slowing Nye down so he spends longer on a motorway.
It's the end of that, look. Ding dong, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-dum, oh, life could be a dream.
Yeah, if we just had corners.
Where you think you're going, bitch? Oh yeah, Ford Capri. I don't know how the fuck they can call that a Ford Capri.
No. Sacrilege, isn't it?
Well yeah, but they were always two-door fastbacks, weren't they?
Yeah. Poor man's Mustang.
Yeah. As luck would have it, we got some lovely fucking roads later. We'll round them up again. Ding dong! Hello.
Hey, no.
It's a filly. Oh, what's he got on the back of here? It looks like a fucking Unimog. It is. Who would want to fucking live there?
Exactly.
God. I mean, we haven't even hit any fucking potholes. It's that fucking boring.
Where are we coming off, Nige?
I fucking hate straight lines. 33, and I keep looking at it and it don't move.
Why don't you jump down on the A6 then?
Because you gotta go through that bollocks shithole, innit ya?
It's all that motorway, isn't it?
You'd have to go through Carlisle and down. It's a fucking hellhole.
Yeah. That sounded like it was worse than the overall neck, didn't it?
At least I am a proper motorway user though. I move over when we pass. Let's let the van out.
Van on your left.
Hell on wheels.
Look at that synchronised lane changes.
Slow lorries. They're all fucking slow, aren't they? Remember, tiredness can kill. Take a fucking break. Well, I'm just going to let my cameras run out. Oh, that was good timing. You still got your heated gloves on, your pansy. It's fucking 8 degrees. My tyres are going to hate me. There you go, highlight of the day, waving to another fucking bike. Let's get me air vents open and get me nipples chilly. Gotta do something to fucking lighten it up. Boring, boring, boring. Morning! 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 Imagine doing a job where you gotta fucking drive this shit every day.
I spy, reminded lie. Something begin with an M. Fucking motorway.
Something beginning with C. It's everywhere. Fuck me, that was £37.90 that pouch of baccy, Steve.
I know.
Fuck you.
Well, very rare. I'd never really pay any more than about £11 a pack. And that was a smaller pack than I normally buy.
Fucking crazy. What's a packet of fags these days then?
16 quid apparently.
Jesus. See, this is the trouble. If you come off and go that way, look.
Yeah, you're in the rush hour, aren't you?
You're right in amongst the shit. Right, count the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, Fuck me, we're going down even less.
It's for safety, Nigel. It said so on the sign.
Yeah, but safety for who? There's no there! Fucking assholes! Joe, go and wake them up. Absolutely nothing, look. They're doing fuck all. Yeah, this is where it's all going on.
Oh my God, there's people. Working people. Doing stuff.
We're going for it. We're fucking going for it.
Let me knock it down a gear. Only another 12 miles to go, nice.
Fuck off.
Well, I could have said nearly 13, but no, I rounded it down 0.9 for you. If you miss this exit, nice, you've got no one to blame.
Believe me, I won't miss this fucker. Hey, that'll be the Dacia. It looks like it's ready to go off to war, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Don't drive tired. What about driving fucking bored stiff?
Yeah, but if you'd known Joan was going to come round at 2 o'clock, we could have gone through there wouldn't be any traffic.
Yeah, you could have come round earlier, Joe, for fuck's sake.
Yeah.
Imagine having to fucking travel shitloads like this, though, to get to fucking Spain and fucking fuck that. Sooner have a few days extra and go to back roads. Do you want to go in there? That's where we had breakfast last time.
Aye, I remember this place.
Steve says I've never been here before.
Well, I had been to TV services, but this is not the one I was thinking of. That's what's confusing me.
Oh, that's going to be uphill if we park that way. Are they fucking square yet?
Oh, fuck, did seized up. Oh yeah. We're all like seized up, can't move.
Feel like an old man.
Did you enjoy that ride on the motorway?
No, fucking hate it. Hate it. I hated it so much I'm gonna go and fucking kick that woman in the shin. I was bored shitless. I'll whinge for the next 6 months about that.